at like 40 psi, it'll drop. I bumped the fuel pressure to 60 psi, it would still drop. So right now we're just pulling the pumps out, pulling all the fuel filters, inspecting everything. The car ran good on 93, but then on 85, the pressure's dropping, and we need to figure out what's going on with it. But he's back there trying to keep it chugging along, trying to figure out what it is, so we can continue to keep making some clean, healthy pulls.
Out the wastegate and shit. I stayed in it. I was like, I ain't letting it out. Just stay in it. That shit look good though.
Holy shit. Hey, I'm good. That's it.
Shit. How'd that make you feel?
Bro, I'm fucking shaking right now, son. That's it. I don't want no more. That's it right there.
Yo, that power band, that's exactly what it's supposed to look like, boy.
Holy shit.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's perfect, man. Even after all those pulls, you're making that power. That looks perfect. All right, let's throw it back in there. Hey, you gonna have to get alignment now, boy. This shit went sideways, man. Yeah, you got to get alignment now, boy. This thing, all I saw was the button as the ass end just swing out. So how's it feeling?
Wow, this shit feels good, man.
Yeah. What's the difference you feel this time around versus previous
Previous,
tunes?
man, it was a headache. This one right here is like perfect. It's like perfect.
Yeah. How'd it feel when you went into that boot, into the boost?
That shit right there is scary, man.
It feels good, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
It feels good. All right, man. So we just finished this session. Long awaited. Been working at this for a long time. How'd everything turn out for you?
Yo, it turned out good, man. I feel like hard work finally paid off.
That's right. That's
Yeah,
right.
man.
So we actually made some power that you wanted to. What's some of the changes now from that drivability that you just drove now from before?
I mean, the car rolling the power perfect. The idle's perfect. No smoke, no nothing. It's like, I can't ask for nothing more, man.
That's right.
It's perfect.
How'd it feel when you went for that test drive?
Oh, man, shit. My heart came up. That car came to boost hard, man.
Yeah, the car got into boost pretty good. How the power band feel?
The power band is great, man.
Yeah.
6 months, I'm gonna come back for some more. But I'm good for now.
I'm not gonna lie, it feels good, man, and I'm happy that we actually worked all the bugs and
Yeah, man.
we finally seen the other side and be able to enjoy this car and you able to make it to the event and enjoy it.
Yo.
Hit the tracks up.
Thanks, man.
You know, you do your thing on these Stealths and 3000 GTs and it actually shows and it works now.
Yeah, man.
All right, bro. I'll catch you later, man.
Thanks, man.
This is Desmond here from Performance Destination. Just had a customer finish off on his tune on his Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Session went great. It's from start to finish, everything got cleaned up, everything got adjusted. He came in prior before, he had a couple bugs he needed to work through. He found those issues. We put it back in the dyno, dialed in the rest of the tune, and the car really started waking up. You know, this car is a fully built motor, VR4, fully built 3.0 cams. I think he has said it's a stage 1 cam. Not too sure which one it is. It is on E85, like a really high grade E85 out here. So it's I think it tested at 90% ethanol content, and it's on a PTE 6766 FIC injectors and a custom intake manifold that he made himself, and he put this whole turbo kit together himself. The car really shined, the car really makes some power. Earlier, a few passes in the beginning, just trying to clean it up, trying to find all these little gremlins, all these little bugs. We finally found them all, and then the car just started coming alive. You know, he didn't want to go too much. He told me his goal was 600 at first. Then when he started seeing it started making power, then it was 650, 700, and then when it made this, he said, "I'm good with that. Let's stop." And I think he's happy with it. We finished him right at 681 and 642 foot-pounds of torque, and the car is phenomenal on the dyno, off the dyno. That was roughly around like 30 pounds or 29, 30 pounds of boost. That turbo works really efficiently for this size motor. Bigger displacement motors like bigger turbos. It has no problem spooling it, and it also has enough turbo for what it needs to keep breathing. And you know, we went for a test drive. Drivability was A1, E85 starting, cruising, everything A1. He just loaded it back on the trailer, and he's gonna enjoy the track here soon. The key thing I shine on and I focus on when I'm tuning these cars is the power band. You can have minimum power at any power level. The power band is what you want to tune for. The power band is what makes you feel like you're in a faster car than what it is. And you don't want that power band to start up and then instantly fall. So on this one, it picked up and it carried all the way to red line. Same thing, the torque carried nicely, horsepower carried nicely. And that's the purpose, is to create healthy tunes and power bands so the car can carry all the way to red line, so you can actually feel the performance of the vehicle. If you would like to work with us, you can reach me at 268-7493, or you can catch me on all platforms of social media at Performance Destination. Thank you for watching.